That's a nice truck right here. What's inside look like? I got a call on this. Oh yeah. It's a little bit over here and there. But no such thing as perfect. This baby is a 4-speed. Wonder how she runs. Whoops. This is from the same era as that Charger right there. Right there. Oh, hold on a second, people. I gotta get my coffee before it gets cold. I must say that baby sounds pretty nice. Back to that Dodge truck. Anybody looking for a really nice Dodge truck? Be hard pressed to find another nicer one in the north, let me tell you.